Inefficiency is the largest employer of the world. Every time we had an inefficiency, we brought a revolution. Similarly, steam engine brought a revolution in transportation, fertilizers brought revolution in agriculture, internet brought a revolution in digitalization and information technology, and in the same way, AI is bringing the revolution in the life of the humans. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentlemen. I am Jagrat and I will talk about the artificial intelligence, which is a very interesting topic to discuss and is basically the future. AI is the future. So I will talk about the different fields where AI is used and what is the future of AI, what will be the difficulties will the people face, and what are the challenges in the life of the people which AI will bring. So firstly, what is AI? An artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the branch of the computer science which enables individual to get its job done that typically requires the human intelligence. But your job is not getting done by the human, it is getting done by an artificial intelligence. There are several tools of artificial intelligence, several models, like you might have listened about the ChatGPT. It has also the several versions, and the recent version that has been produced is known as GPT-4o. O stands for Omni. I will explain each and everything in my video. So firstly, if I talk about the education, it is helpful for both students and teachers. If I talk about the students, who can get their doubts cleared with the help of AI tools, and in the same way, they like to learn. In the same style of learning they have. Similarly, for the teachers, they can get their presentation, then they can get the different styles of the teaching with the help of artificial intelligence. If I talk about health, just imagine a room, you enter for an X-ray, you get the X-ray report within 10 seconds, and that too readable with the help of artificial intelligence. Because in India, we produce a few hundreds of radiologists, which is very less for this vast population of India. And hence, this is bringing a huge revolution in the life of the human beings. In terms of a skill, a few years back, just a decade back, we had a course, a hot seller course for developing internet skills, for providing the different presentation skills, internet skills to the youth of the country so that they can develop themselves in getting job in the various IT firms. And hence, in the same way, in the fields of same IT company, this artificial intelligence skill is must to get. Every individual must know about artificial intelligence, must have a skill for the use of the artificial intelligence so that they can enhance themselves, their performance in different IT firms and in different fields. If I talk about military, the people will be shocked that artificial intelligence will also be used in military, but it is getting used. China is developing autonomous weapons faster than the US itself. India is also focusing on developing autonomous weapons. AI is also being used in the logistic management, inventory management in the defense forces as well. It is helpful for the few people to get the decisions. It is providing the investment records. It is helping the people to get to earn the stocks, to buy several stocks of several firms so that they can have the analytics of the past and as well as of the future. They're earning with the help of artificial intelligence, in short, we can say. So it is bringing the change. And that's why I have already said that AI is the future. And the latest model of artificial intelligence, which I was talking about earlier, GPT-4, is basically focusing on human-computer interactions. A large language model. What is it? It is basically enhancing the interaction of the human with the computer. Just imagine a friend which know everything about you, your past, your future, basically not future, but your past, what is going on in your mind, who remembers every conversation of yours, who give you a perfect advice each and every time in life, and this is artificial intelligence. That friend is artificial intelligence. Imagine you have sent a voice message to the person, and you got a reply from that person in the same accent you have sent. And that person is nothing but artificial intelligence. And that change is brought by its latest model, which is known as GPT-4. But there are several challenges in artificial intelligence as well. We were listening up. You were listening about its uses, but I will talk about the several challenges. You might have listened about the deepfake videos. If I ask you what is common between Prime Minister Modi and West Bengal Chief Minister, uh, Mamta Banerjee, what is common in them? They both are victims of deepfake videos. And hence, it is creating a bug in the society, a big bug, which can be used to defame any political leaders, any high profile personality, any person in the society. It can also have an intelligence on your personal data. It can get access through the personal data as well. It can be used by the different firms, different blockers, different miscreants as well, to get to know about every person, to get misuse of the voice of any person, to create money, to create several cyber crimes as well. So we need to be very careful about that, and there have been several summits based on artificial intelligence to create a trustworthy, a sustainable environment for the use of artificial intelligence. And one of them is Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence, whose latest summit was hosted by Delhi this year, attended by more than 28 countries. Thank you.